everybody! Welcome to this amazing YouTube video about Switzerland. Get ready to say ooh la la because we're about to dive into the most stunning, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and press bell icon, most delicious, most fun places you can visit in this beautiful country. We're talking chocolate box villages nestled in the Alps, sparkling blue lakes, and cities that are so clean you could practically eat off the sidewalks. So buckle up, Buttercup, because whether you're a hiker, a shopper, a chocolate enthusiast, or just someone who loves to look at pretty mountains, who doesn't? This travel guide is for you. Let's go! Next, we're off to Lucerne, a city so picturesque it looks like it jumped straight out of a fairy tale. With its medieval architecture, covered bridges, and sparkling blue lake, you'll half expect to see a unicorn trotting by. Speaking of bridges, you can't miss the iconic Chapel Bridge, a 14th century wooden footbridge adorned with paintings depicting Lucerne's history. And when you're done being charmed by the city, hop on a boat and explore Lake Lucerne. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're heading to Interlaken, the adventure capital of Switzerland. If you're an adrenaline junkie, this is the place for you. We're talking skydiving, paragliding, whitewater rafting, canyoning, you name it, Interlaken's got it. But even if you're not the daredevil type, there's still plenty to do in Interlaken. You can take a scenic hike, go for a swim in one of the crystal clear lakes, or simply relax and soak up the stunning mountain views. Chapter 5. Zurich, the heart of Switzerland. Next up, we're heading to Zurich, Switzerland's largest city and a vibrant hub for finance, culture, and nightlife. For all you shopaholics out there, Bahnhofstrasse is a must-visit. It's one of the world's most luxurious shopping streets, lined with designer boutiques, department stores, and of course, chocolate shops. But Zurich is more than just shopping and skyscrapers. Explore the charming Old Town, visit the Kunsthaus Zurich, or catch a show at the Zurich Opera House. Chapter 6. Bern, where history comes alive. Get ready to step back in time as we visit Bern, Switzerland's capital city. With its cobblestone streets, medieval fountains, and stunning sandstone buildings, Bern is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that oozes charm and history. Be sure to check out the Zittglocke, a 13th century clock tower with a fascinating astronomical clock that puts on a little show every hour. And while you're wandering the streets of Bern, keep an eye out for the city's many bear statues. Bears are the symbol of Bern, and you'll find them everywhere, from fountains to flags to souvenirs. Calling all sports fans. Our next stop is Lausanne, home to the International Olympic Committee and the Olympic Museum. Even if you're not a die-hard Olympian, the museum is a fascinating journey through the history of the Games. Perched on the shores of Lake Geneva, Lausanne offers stunning views, charming streets, and a vibrant cultural scene. Be sure to wander through the city's medieval Old Town and visit the beautiful Lausanne Cathedral. Get ready to groove because we're heading to Montreux, a chic lakeside town famous for its annual Montreux Jazz Festival. Every summer, music legends from around the world descend on Montreux, filling the air with incredible sounds. But even if you're not a jazz aficionado, Montreux has plenty to offer. Visit the stunning Chillon Castle, a medieval fortress perched on a rocky island in Lake Geneva. And of course, no trip to Montreux would be complete without a stroll along the beautiful lakeside promenade. Lace up your hiking boots because we're off to Grindelwald, a picture-perfect village nestled in the heart of the Bernese Oberland. Surrounded by towering mountains, lush meadows, and sparkling waterfalls, Grindelwald is a hiker's paradise. Take a ride on the first cable car for breathtaking views of the Eiger, Monk, and Jungfrau Mountains. And after a long day of hiking, treat yourself to a hearty Swiss meal at one of Grindelwald's many cozy restaurants. Last but certainly not least, we're ending our Swiss adventure in the Jungfrau region, home to some of the most breathtaking scenery in the entire country. Take a ride on the Jungfraujoch Railway, Europe's highest railway station, and marvel at the panoramic views of the Aletsch Glacier and the surrounding snow-capped peaks. So, there you have it, folks, our whirlwind tour of Switzerland's top 10 must-visit places. From the majestic Matterhorn to the charming streets of Bern, Switzerland has something for everyone. I hope this video has inspired you to add Switzerland to your travel bucket list. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my next travel adventure. Until then, happy travels!